to very action.
Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. And look, big mini babe. Get it? You get it? We're going to the hair place, hair salon. I will get my hair cut. And I'm booked for treatment, haircut, and blow up, babe.
Blow dry.
Blow dry.
Blow up.
Yeah, I think that's the same. But yeah, we will go. I will have short hair. Ah, like there. Just kidding. Yeah. Maybe just right above my shoulder. Tingnan natin. We'll see. But yeah, we're going there. I'm not really sure where we're going. You will tell me, babe?
Yeah.
Because this is a new salon. I need to make it to the light, babe. Oops.
Cut.
My parking is chocolate. Just a little broken. This is a really nice area here, man.
Yeah.
Are you filming? Good job. Look at the nice dresses. What are you doing? Are you being a vlogger? May paikot-ikot pa ba? They have some nice shops here. Looks like there's one. Oh, we're here. Turn that off.
Hello, babe.
Look how funny he is. Kevin Hart.
Who's that?
Kevin Hart. What is he doing?
Being a weirdo.
He looks like a chicken watermelon.
Spa, babe. I'm vlogging. Hello.
How are you?
That's cool.
Very intense in this room.
It is.
Oh, so busy.
Yeah, I'm all good.
I need that.
What's that?
That one? This one better. Number 3.
Does Chanel sell that?
That's a good look.
Rhaze. Rhaze.
I like my hair. It has some texture and she put hairspray. She took a really good photo as well. I don't need to steal that from her. Do you like it?
Yeah, that's good.
So pretty. I look like I have thick hair when I don't. Look at those. I like my hair, guys. It looks really thick. Meron siya nilagay na product. Bibiliin ko sana, kaya lang naubusan na sila. But we will have breakfast here sa Dulwich. We're having pie. So this is minced beef with mushroom. And then kay Dan, chunky beef. Katatapos ko lang mag-makeup. Gamit ko yung Hourglass na foundation, yung stick foundation. And then I have on my lips the Estee Lauder na Hindi ko maalala. Lip liner. And now, I'm gonna have lunch. Ito yung lunch. Ano siya? Sobra ko siya kagabi. Tinake away namin siya. Nagpunta kami sa Chinatown kagabi. Kasi gusto niya din maglaksa. So, after work, nagpunta kami sa Meijer. Bumili siya ng sapatos niya. Kasi yung work shoes niya, luma na. So, bumili siya ng bago. And then, we went to Chinatown to get laksa. And then, I got the chicken curry fried rice. Pupunta kami sa baby shower ni Jess mamaya. So, I think we have an hour here. Si Dan maliligo daw siya ulit. Kasi, nag-haircut siya kanina. So, gusto niya lang iligo yung mga buhok daw. So, after niya maligo, hindi ko alam kung ano susuotin ko. Nakakainis yung weather. Akala ko pa naman okay na yung weather. Kasi ano na October na. And spring na sana, September. Kaya lang October na hanggang ngayon wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin siya maayos. Let's share this food, babe. Kasi kakain din kami kina Jess. Ang daming lulutuin ni Jess mamaya. I mean, hindi siya. Tutulungan siya ng iba. Pero yeah. She will have some eclairs. But I think eclairs are just for Devenda. Because it was a special request. So Devenda's like, I want eclairs. Like, okay, I'm gonna make eclairs just for you. But she will have kablof. And yeah, we will see. I'm ready. Nagbihis na ako. So I'm just wearing this tank top that I got from... Babe? Now, tank top that I got from Valley Girl ata or Temp, and then my denim jacket from Shein, and then I'm wearing my high-waisted black jeans from Spray. So yan yung outfit of the day natin, and inayos ko lang ng konti yung buhok ko. So dito kasi kanina di ba pa ganun siya palabas, inano ko lang siya, parang inayon ko siya paloob para hindi siya like pa ganun tingnan. So yeah, and I'm ready. Ito yung gift namin kay Jess. Yan, ano siya, swing. Kasi gusto niya bumili ng swing. Sabi ko, ako na bahala dyan sa swing mo. So, yun. Baby shower. Nande. We have to color one. That's Danny Boy's. This is mine. Evendas. Randall. Galing. Yes. I got the kablof. Oh, that looks good. That's my request right there.
Well. It's gonna be good.
Yeah. Oh, they have a small pond. That looks cool.
You wanna put it up on the channel?
I will. Have you tried that, Randall?
No, I'm not trying it.
Oh, try it. It's good. What?
It's got
Kablof.
spinach and cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
French dip, I think. Oh, look at the cake.
Oh, looks good.
I know. Jess loves elephants.
That looks great. Okay, awesome.
Yeah, you like
So
Yeah,
cute,
who made that?
Jess. Yeah.
the old chef from the boat.
Ah, that's having a job.
Yeah.
Yeah, have a chocolate.
Ito na.
Did you like it, Linda? Okay, this one?
That's easy. You have to touch bait
Ito
and
yung
you
kay
just
Dan.
cast it out. You wind it in slowly and cast it out again. Like slowly. Or with the squid jade, you've got the jade here. It sits in the water like that. That's the spikes.
Look at this game. We are home! Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga napanalunan namin. Char, meron talaga kami mga napanalunan. Wait. Lagay ko muna. So, we got this. Nanalo si... Actually, hindi nanalo si Dan. Sabi lang ni Jess na papanalunin daw si Dan. Kasi gusto niya lahat ng nasa table namin manalo. So, yun. Ito yung premyo ni Dan. Kasi elephant yung theme ng ni Jess. Elephant na candle. And then, ito din. Na malapit na maubos, guys. Kinain na niya kanina nung nagchika-chika kami. And then, ito yung napanalunan ko. Yung pinakita ko sa inyo na game kanina na pregnant versus porn. Ako nanalo sa ano na yun. Dalawa lang yung ko, mali ko. Nakakaloka. 14 out of 16. Ako talaga nanalo. Sabi ko sa lahat ng laro, ito talaga napanalunan ko. Yung pregnancy versus porn. Nakakaloka. Anyway, this is what I won. Meron siyang, actually I had to pick. So, naka-wrap to and ito yung ko. And then it has a scratchy on the side as well na parang will give you a chance to win like $10,000, $25,000. Pero hindi ako nanalo sa scratchy. But yeah, this one is really cool. Ano siya, diffuser. Na ganyan yung itsura niya. Actually, I will use it now. Lalagay ko siya sa kwarto. Tingnan natin. Ang cute niya. Meron siyang pa-flower na ganap. Oh. Ay, lalagay ko ito sa ano ko, sa living room ko. Ang ganda nito pang design. Yung ano niya is, home signature. Yung ano niya, scent is cinnamon chai and smooth cream. Right there. Gusto ko yung design niya. So, wait. Paano ba to? So, kukunin ko. Medyo strong yung amoy niya kung galing talaga dito sa bottle. Okay. Lagay mo lang siya dyan. Tama ba to? Mali. Wait. Ilagay mo pala yung black muna. Tapos para malak siya. Oh. Nice. Cute. Bango. Cinnamon. Very sweet. Gustong-gusto ko yung buhok ko, guys. Sabi ni Dan, meron siyang sinabi na kamukha ko daw. Char. Feel ko naman. Hindi ko kilala eh. Pag sabi niya, i-google mo. Pero yan, nakalimutan ko. Hindi kami magdi-dinner kasi busog na si Dan. Tingnan nyo nga to. Sabi pa niya, itago mo para di ko makita. Oh, and here. Itong dalawang to. Yan. Pag-giveaway ni Jess, ito yung ano niya. Meron siyang sticker dyan na merong dalawang elephant. And sabi dito, Jess's baby shower. Jess's baby shower and then yung day-to-day. And meron siyang mga chocolate sa loob. Heart-shaped na pink at saka silver. Tapos dalawa. Binigyan niya kami ng dalawa nung una. Tapos yung isa, binigay ni Dan sa kasama ko si Randall. Tapos, nung nakita ni Jess na isa na lang yung sa amin, binigyan na kami ng isa pa. Kasi gusto niya, dalawa daw yung jar na iuwi namin. Gusto ni Dan na ibigay na sana lahat kasi ayaw na magdala ng chocolate nga. Kasi nga, diba, he's trying to lose weight. Meron kaming wedding, guys, na i-attend this coming weekend. So, very full on ng aming October, as in sobra. Like, lahat ng weekend sa October meron kaming ganap. Last weekend was the long weekend. Nagpunta kami ng Mount Gambier. Tapos, this weekend, ito, baby shower. Tapos, bukas punta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Merong ganap. And then, next weekend, merong wedding. And then, last weekend of October, punta kaming Sydney. Yes, punta kaming Sydney. Ano siya, para siya, pang birthday celebration ko siya. So, yeah, first time ko sa Sydney. Nakakaloka. I'm excited. Anyway, I think I'm gonna close it. Oh, by the way, I got this as well. L'Oreal. Kasi I was looking for hairspray. Kasi ginamitan ito ng hairspray kanina. Kasi kinulot niya ng slight yung buhok ko. Ginamitan niya ng hairspray. Tapos gumamit din siya ng volumizing spray. Yung dalawang yun, wala na, guys. Wala na. Nabibenta sila nun eh. Pero bibilihin ko na sana talaga siya. Kasi ang ganda-ganda. Tapos yung volumizing spray, nung basa pa yung buhok ko, they did treatment. Tapos cut. Tapos blowout. And style na din. Nung basa pa yung buhok ko, nilagyan siya ng volumizing spray na from, inano ko yun sa phone ko eh. Pinicturean ko siya. Sobrang ganda ng volumizing spray. Tapos sobrang bango pa. Yung pangalan is, pinicturean ko siya kasi gusto ko sana siya bilhin. We went to Priceline. Sabi nila, hindi natin makahanap dito yung mga ganyang brand. But it's from Professional Sebastian. Ito, Professional Sebastian. Yung gamit niya. It's a voluped spray. Ito yung ginamit niya sa akin. And sobrang ganda. And then, I think from Sebastian as well yung ginamit niya na hairspray. And sobra hairspray, guys, ha. It really, yung hairspray niya, hindi siya like yung madikit na hairspray. Kasi I still can run my fingers sa buhok ko. And, yeah. Pero I went for this kasi nga naubusan na sila no. Nagpunta kami ng Priceline agad-agad after the haircut. And then, I just got this one. Give Me Texture Tousled Style Spray from VO5. Kasi ito yung pinakamahal na nakita ko dun. Naka-sale na nga siya. Pero yung original niya, siya yung pinakamahal sa mga nakita ko dun. Merong isa from Swarpshore. Yun. Hindi ko ma-pronounce. Hindi siya naka-sale pero mas mura yung original price. So I just went for this. Itatry ko lang siya. And kapag nakita ko yung Sebastian, kapag nagpunta ako sa Meijer, I think, bibilhin ko yun kasi sobrang gusto ko talaga siya. And then ito, sabi nila, hairspray lang naman yan. Kahit na anong hairspray gamitin mo. So I went for the L'Oreal. Hindi pa ako nakagamit ng hairspray na ako lang. Pero yeah. Anyway. I think I'm gonna go. Meron akong eye patch na hindi ko malaman yung brand. Nandun na kasi sa banyo. Ano siya? Korean. Anyway, i-conclude ko na yung vlog kasi yung battery ko na gumagano na yung red na battery na sign kasi mamamatay na siya. And yung laundry ko malapit na din matapos. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Mwah. Si Dan nagwo-workout. Siya na talaga ang nagwo-workout sa gabi. Kasi sobrang dami na makinain kanina. Sobrang busog namin, tapos ang dami pa niyang kinain. Alam niyo na yung mga laliit na mga chocolate na yon. Anyway, good night guys. Bye! Mwah!